In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Jesus Messiah by Chris Tomlin with just you and an acoustic guitar. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this tutorial. Also, I'm going to show you a bunch of advanced guitar chords throughout this tutorial. If you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords and level up your guitar playing, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Here we are in the intro of the song. We're going to be starting high up on the neck. We're playing in the key of E, and we're going to play these chords for the intro and throughout verse number 1. So I'll play the intro and verse 1 together. Altogether, it sounds like this. The chords are right here. Became sin, who knew no sin, that we might become his righteousness. He humbled himself and carried the cross. Love so amazing, love so amazing. Build into the chorus. Here we are in chorus number 1. We're going to continue playing similar chords to what we just played, so they'll be right here as I play through. Sounds like this. Jesus Messiah, name above all names, blessed Redeemer, Emmanuel, rescue for sinners, the ransom from heaven, Jesus Messiah, Lord of all. Into verse number 2. Here we are in verse number 2. We're going to open the chords up a little bit more. They'll be right here as I play through it. Sounds like this. His body the bread, his blood the wine, broken and poured out all for love. The whole earth trembled and the veil was torn. Love so amazing, love so amazing. Jesus Messiah. Into chorus number 2. Here we are in chorus number 2. Nice big open chords. They'll be right here as I play through it. All together sounds like this. Jesus Messiah, name above all names, blessed Redeemer, Emmanuel, the ransom from heaven, rescue for sinners, the ransom from heaven, Jesus Messiah, be Lord of all. We build into the bridge. The bridge sounds like this. All I hope is in you. All I hope is in you. All the glory to you, God, the light of the world. Into a final chorus. Here we are in the final chorus. We're going to start the first half out quiet and then build up to the end. So all together it sounds like this. Jesus Messiah, name above all names, blessed Redeemer, Emmanuel, Emmanuel. Lord of all, Jesus Messiah, Lord of all, the Lord of all. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Jesus Messiah by Chris Tomlin. If you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that I used throughout this tutorial, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.